friends, welcome to iViewLogic software testing channel. My name is Avinash. Here today I'll tell you about how to download and install different softwares which are required for automation testings. Here mention list of softwares which are really required for web application automation testing using Selenium. So one by one we can discuss how to download the JDK Java Development Kit, okay? How to download the Eclipse IDE, how to download the Selenium JAR and drivers and all that, okay? So one by one we can discuss about this. Let me open my Chrome browsers. See here, you need to just search the JDK 1.5 version is there, download version is there. You just click on that. Okay, after that, here, see www.oracle.com. This is the official website. You just click on that. See here on this website, you will get the list of softwares, JDK softwares, Java Development Kit, which is really required for automation testing. See, if you are using Windows, you just click on this Windows. You will get the list of softwares, JDK softwares. So as per your operating systems, okay. So if you are using 64-bit operating system, then you need to install this one, okay. If you are using Mac machines, okay, and on that Mac 64-bit operating system is there, in that case also you need to download this. So as per your machine configuration, you need to select particular JDK version and you need to install from here, okay. So go down slowly. See here Java 8 is here. So we are using Java 8, which is quite compatible, right? So if you click on Windows, okay, here JDK 1.8 version is there. So for Windows, there are two options, 86-bit and 64-bit. Okay, so as per your machine configuration, you can download your JDK from here. You just click on this. If you click on this, you will get this pop-up. If you select here and if you click on download, then automatically the file will get downloaded. Okay. Okay. Through this way, you need to download the JDK using this website. Okay. This is official website, oracle.com. With the help of this website, you can easily download JDK, right? Next one is Eclipse IDE is required for automation testing, right? How to download Eclipse IDE? See, you just search Eclipse. See, Eclipse download for Windows, right? If you click here, again here one of the official website, Eclipse org. If you click on this, okay, see, go down. Here, Eclipse ID 2022-09. It means in the last month, release latest version. Okay. So if you want to download, you just click on this. It will get download automatically. Okay. Suppose if you want to check more versions, you just click on download packages here. Okay. Go down slowly. See here the list of versions 4.25 is released in the last month. Okay. Earlier the different versions is releases. Okay. So I would recommended you, I would suggest you use this version 2021-09 4.21. If you click on this, because this is a quite compatible version, Eclipse compatible version. Okay, go down slowly. See here, one of the option is there, Eclipse ID for Eclipse committers. Okay, suppose if you are using Windows operating system with 64-bit or 86-bit, whatever. Okay, if you click on here, automatically Eclipse is getting downloaded. Okay, if you are using Mac, then you can just click on this. Okay, see, let me click on this. guys, see, automatically uh, Eclipse is getting downloaded, right? So through this way, we can easily download Eclipse, right? And third option is there, third software is there, Selenium JAR is also required, okay, for automation testing. So how to download the JAR, Selenium JAR? Suppose if you search Selenium JAR download, right? If you click here, again here also official website is there, www.selenium.do. If you click here, okay, you just go down slowly. There is one option, release, okay, releases, okay. If you click here, you will get the all versions, Selenium JAR versions, Selenium 4.50, Selenium 4.40, right? So I'm using 3.5.3, which is quite compatible. So that's why I'm using this one. If you click on this version, you will get the list. See here, Selenium HTML runner, Selenium Java, Selenium server, Selenium server standalone. You need to install this one, Selenium server standalone 3.5.jar. Okay. If you click here, automatically again this jar file is will get downloaded, okay, in your machine. So through this way, you need to download the Selenium jar file also, right? And last one is there, drivers. Okay. So for automation testing, we require different drivers. Suppose if you want to run your script on Chrome browsers, you require Chrome driver. Suppose if you want to uh, execute your script on Mozilla Firefox browser, in that case, Gecko driver is required. So according to the browser, we require specific drivers. So we need to install it and we need to download in your machine, keep it in any folder in your machine, and you just need to apply the path of that .exe file in your system.properties file. So for that purpose, initially you need to install. Okay, so how to install that drivers? Okay, see, just a Chrome driver, search here, Chrome browser driver downloads. Okay, here also one of the official website, Chrome driver. If you click here, okay, here also there are different Chrome driver versions, but कौन सा वर्जन हमें डाउनलोड करना है, ओके, क्रोम ड्राइवर का, ये कैसे पता करना? So if you are using, okay, need to check here the version of your Chrome, okay, Google Chrome. So go to the help about Google Chrome is there. You just click on this, you will get to know. So which version, which Chrome version is there, okay? Which version? 105.0.5195.127 means 15 series is going on, right? So the same driver need to be downloaded, okay? So that we can easily write a script, we can execute the script also. Okay, if it is mismatch is there, then unable to execute our script, right? So 1.5 version is there in my machine, okay, related to this browser. So that's why I need to download 1.5 series Chrome driver as well. Okay, see here on this official website, 1.5 is there. See 1.5.05195.52. So 1.5 series is here. If you click here, okay, again there are different options are there. Okay, if we are using Windows operating system, then you need to select this options, Chrome driver.win32zip. If you click here, automatically your driver will get download, okay, in your machine. So this way we can download and we can install easily required softwares, okay, which are very useful for automation testing perspective. Okay, guys, please follow these steps, download the softwares and install and set up and do your setup in your machine. Okay, for automation testing. Guys, if you like this video and if you want to see the more videos related to software testing, please subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you so much.